And look, talking about weather, it is a nice day. I mean, the humidity a little lower than the past couple of days. Heat index values will be near the triple digits, but it won't feel as hot as especially last week. But right now, looking at the current temperature, 87 degrees, feels like 93 degrees. Winds are coming in from the south at 11 miles per hour. And the radar shows mostly sunny conditions. Cloud cover from earlier this morning is beginning to dissipate. And if I zoom out just to show you a bigger picture of Texas, much of the Lone Star State is nice and dry. We do have some sprinkles up towards the north and some disturbances out towards the east, towards the deep south that will not give us any rain chances. Now, the reason why we are going to be dry throughout much of this week is because of a persistent high pressure system that has parked itself over Texas and will continue to give us mainly dry weather for the rest of this week. Looking at the temperatures, we are seeing upper 80s, and we also have lower 90s down towards the south. 91 degrees in Carrizo Springs, 91 degrees in Cotulla. But one thing that has been persistent is this humidity. Thankfully, not as bad as, say, last Thursday, where we had heat index values at around 113 degrees. Feels like temperatures right now in the lower to mid 90s. Now down towards the south, they're near the triple digits, and I could see them have higher feels like temperatures as compared to San Antonio. So for San Antonio, I expect a high of 93 degrees, max heat index value at around 97 degrees with mostly sunny conditions throughout the rest of the day. Now let's time everything out with the futurecast. Mostly sunny throughout the rest of today. Same thing tomorrow, mostly cloudy in the morning, then those clouds will dissipate as we get to midday. Can't rule out an isolated sprinkle chance, especially the farther north you live, but it's going to be a mainly dry, sunny day tomorrow. And then in the morning, mostly cloudy, could see some sprinkles around the I-35 corridor, and then we'll clear up once again in the afternoon with temperatures into the mid 90s. So to recap, our rain chances around 0%. So dry conditions throughout the rest of the week. And then for next week, could see around 10% chances of rain in the afternoon. Now our humidity, notice it's still muggy, but it's not in the uncomfortable level as say last week where it was especially muggy and oppressive. So it feels like temperatures are not going to be extreme, expecting upper 90s today, and then tomorrow could be in the triple digits, but thankfully not around 113 degrees as once again last week. So here's a look at the 14-day forecast. Mainly dry rest of the week, and also the dry conditions will continue to next week. Could see around a 20% chance of rain next Wednesday. Now the thing to note for next week, especially next Tuesday, is that we could potentially see Saharan dust, and that could cause some haze in our area and poor air quality. But overall, the same forecast will continue. Temperatures in the mid 90s, feels like temperatures potentially in the triple digits. So it'll be important to stay hydrated.